Welcome back, everybody. Today, we're going to be reacting, well, not really reacting. We're going to be doing a quiz with my brother here. You can come in front now. You have to duck down. So, this is my brother. Come over here just a little bit more. Yeah, and then you have to you can sit on this if you want. You just move this. Okay. All right. So, we're going to be reacting to these quizzes. So, yeah, let's get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started.
Alrighty then. Are you ready to test your knowledge of the universe? We've got 40 questions for you. Let's see how long you can last. Now, let's get going with the easy level. Can you guess the celestial body from this photo?
I'm gonna go C for Saturn.
Yeah, C.
With those famous rings? Of course it's Saturn. What force keeps us grounded on Earth? Magnetism, gravity, or friction?
B, gravity. This is easy, so it's gonna get harder. Ready?
It's gravity, the same force that put an apple on Newton's smart head.
Yep.
The moon is an asteroid, a satellite, or a planet.
B, satellite.
Yeah, B.
Satellite.
Satellites are used to
The moon is a natural satellite of
It's a
Earth.
natural satellite.
Which star is closest to our planet? The North Star, Alpha Centauri,
You have
or
to
the
guess.
Sun?
You guess first, and I'm gonna get my answer.
C.
I'm gonna go B.
Well, it would be weird if it wasn't the Sun.
Oh,
Pluto is a dwarf planet. Is this true or false?
true.
True.
It's demoted in 2006.
Really?
The answer is true. Poor Pluto got kicked out of the main planet sequence, but joined its own family of dwarf planets in our solar system. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter, Pluto, or Earth?
A, Jupiter.
A.
It's Jupiter, the gas giant. What planet is known as the red planet? Venus, Mars, or Jupiter?
B.
Yeah, B. Took me a second. I'm so good at this, but it took me a second to kind of just get my
It's
head.
Mars. NASA's Curiosity rover showed us all its awesome red-orange desserts. Wait a minute, I mean deserts. My bad.
Don't want to
The
search.
sun is a planet, a comet, or a star.
C, a
C.
star.
Yeah.
The sun is a star, which was kind of spoiled in question 4. What event marks the beginning of the universe according to science? The Great Fission, the Big Bang, or the huge boom?
The Big Bang.
I'm gonna go Big Bang.
Yeah, the answer is the Big Bang, hence the name Big Bang Theory. Uh-huh. Black holes exist. True or false?
True.
True. It says false that I'm disliking this video.
The answer is true. We weren't sure before, but now we have even 2 photos of them. How many did you get? Write in the comments.
I don't
Now let's move to the medium level.
You got all of them except for the.
Guess the name of this scientist.
Yes.
C.
I'm gonna go A, Albert Einstein.
This is a portrait of Albert Einstein.
What? That's not Albert Einstein.
What can we call a group of stars forming a recognizable pattern? A galaxy, constellation, or a nebula? It's a constellation. Although, to be fair, galaxies and nebulas are also full of stars in different patterns. What is this phenomenon called? A lightning bolt, a shooting star, or an aurora borealis?
Shooting star.
This is a shooting star. Hey, make a wish. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Venus, Mercury, or Mars?
Mercury. Venus is almost the same size as Earth. It's only a couple kilometers smaller in diameter.
The answer is Mercury. Remember that Pluto is a dwarf planet.
Yep.
How many planets are in our solar system? Give yourself some time to count.
Run out of time.
8.
8.
We have 8 major planets: Mercury,
know.
Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
That we know.
Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Jeff Bezos, Neil Armstrong, or Elon Musk?
Neil Armstrong.
Neil Armstrong. Not Elon Musk. Elon Musk hasn't been off this planet.
Neil Armstrong. He's the only astronaut on the list. What is the name of our galaxy? The Milky Way, the Andromeda Galaxy, or the Steel Way?
The Milky Way.
Milky Way. Like the chocolate bar.
The Milky Way, like the chocolate bar. And the Andromeda Galaxy is our nearest neighbor. Man has already walked on Mars. Is this true or false?
False.
False. For now.
If this is,
Come back in a couple years and that'll be true.
if this is true, then I'll be surprised.
The answer is false. Only robots have been on Mars. But NASA believes that the first human Mars mission will take place in the 2030s. Saturn is a gas planet, Earth-like planet, or dwarf planet.
A gas planet. Or gas giant, if you want to be scientific.
Saturn is a gas giant, just like Jupiter. They're the biggest planets in our solar system. The Earth rotates on its own axis. True or false?
True.
True? Well, yeah, it rotates.
It's true. The Earth rotates while it revolves around the Sun, which is why we have days and nights.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that level was a bit tougher. Are you keeping up so far? Well, prepare for the hard level.
Okay.
What is this object called?
B.
Go James Webb Telescope.
That change my answer. A.
This is actually
No.
a telescope,
Oh.
specifically
You said
the
B.
James Webb
I win.
Telescope. It's based in space instead of on Earth. Which of these planets has the most moons? Saturn, the Earth, or Mars?
Saturn.
Earth. No, Saturn. I almost said Earth.
Earth?
I almost said Earth. I meant Saturn.
While we have only one moon and Mars has 2, Saturn has 146 moons, all because of its huge size and crazy
So
gravity.
you counted every single speck that was
Which
in the
planet
brain
is the
scale.
farthest from the Sun? Uranus, Neptune, or Jupiter?
Neptune. Fun fact, Neptune is actually kind of hot for being an ice giant.
It's Neptune.
Go check out
We
that
mentioned
short if
it
you
when
haven't seen
counting
it.
the number
I'll
of
link it
planets.
down in the
It was
description.
also in order. How long does it take for light from the Sun to reach Earth? 8 minutes, 24 hours, or a second? Now
24
remember that
hours?
light also travels at a certain
8
speed.
minutes.
It's 8 minutes, 20 seconds. The speed of light is 186,000 miles per second. What is the hottest color for a star? Yellow, orange, or blue-white?
Blue light, I guess.
Oh. Yeah, blue-white.
The answer is, surprisingly, blue or blue-white.
Yep.
A bit counterintuitive, right? What is the true color of the sun? White, yellow, or red?
White.
Ooh. Yellow. Yellow. Because it's a yellow dwarf.
White.
The answer is white.
Oh.
This makes sense because we know that white light, which comes from the sun, breaks down in all the colors. So we
Really?
only see the sun as yellow because the atmosphere filters some of them.
Oh. Oh,
Earth has the most volcanoes in our solar system. True or false?
false. That is absolutely false.
Venus or AKA
Venus? Yeah. No.
It's false.
it's
Io.
Venus is the one with most
Oh.
of the volcanoes. It's
Could've been
actually
Venus
the
or
most
Io.
toxic and crazy planet in our solar system.
what's Io?
One of
What
them.
is the name of the galaxy closest to the Milky Way? If you watch the video carefully, you'll get this one.
Pick.
A.
You can go A.
It's the Andromeda Galaxy.
It's gonna collide
But
with
while
us.
it's our closest neighbor,
What?
it's still 2.5 million light years away.
It's only 2, yeah.
What is the coldest planet in our solar system? Uranus,
Uranus.
Neptune, or Pluto?
I'm gonna go Uranus. Neptune isn't that cold.
It's Uranus. Pluto's not a planet. And you think that it should be Neptune since it's farther away from the sun, and average temperatures on Neptune are colder, minus 330 degrees Fahrenheit. But the lowest number, about minus 371 degrees Fahrenheit, was recorded on Uranus. So this place can also be considered the coldest planet. Now, which planet has the most moons?
We already did this. Saturn.
Saturn. Jupiter is the second.
Well, we
one
mentioned
the
this one
second.
before. It's Saturn, with an insane number of moons. Whew, pat yourself on the shoulder for that one. Finally, let's tackle the
Ooh.
impossible level.
All right.
Good luck.
I think I'm gonna get a lot of these.
What's the maximum speed of light in a vacuum? 1,000,000 miles per second, 186,000 miles per second, or 42 miles per second?
B.
If you don't
because
know, try to
Yeah,
guess
I'm gonna
this
go
one.
B.
B is very
It's
specific.
186,000
Yay!
miles per second.
Very specific.
And the distance that light covers in 1 year of traveling is called 1 light year. Now, on which planet can you jump the highest? The Earth, Venus, or Mercury?
Mercury, because Mercury is the smallest, therefore it has the lowest amount of gravity.
On Mercury! It's the smallest and lightest planet in our solar system, so the gravity there is very weak. What is the main component of the sun? Oxygen, hydrogen, or nitrogen?
No, oxygen.
Hydrogen.
The answer is hydrogen. It's what makes
The
up
lightest
most
element
stars,
in the universe.
and it's the most common element in the entire universe.
Oh yeah, and most common.
What is the approximate age of the universe? 3 billion years, 13.8 billion years, or 100 billion years?
Because B is very specific.
Yeah, 13.8 billion. It's definitely not 3 billion. Yeah.
Well, it's 13.8 billion years. Meanwhile, our sun is about 4.6 billion years old.
Yeah,
Hey,
that's
I
why.
wasn't around then. Guess the name of this guy.
Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton. I can't.
This is a portrait of
Yes.
Isaac Newton. What is the hottest planet in our solar system? Venus, Mercury, or Earth?
Venus.
Venus, because of its atmosphere, it keeps in greenhouse gases
And all the volcanoes.
and all the volcanoes.
Well, you might think it's Mercury because it's closest to the sun, but it's actually Venus. Like we said, it's the most toxic and volcanic planet we have around here.
It's toxic?
What type of star is the sun classified as? A red giant, a white dwarf, or yellow dwarf?
White dwarf.
Yellow dwarf. I said this earlier.
Even though the sun's light is white, the sun is a yellow dwarf,
A white dwarf
one of the
is white.
colder star types.
A white.
There's a black hole in the
Quickly. A white dwarf is, like something that happens after a star goes supernova. So if a star has a lower amount of mass when it becomes supernova, it condenses into a white dwarf, which is super hot. But if it has enough mass, it'll become a black hole. But if it has, there's a sweet spot right in the middle of white dwarf and black hole called a neutron or a pulsar. And those are the bigger white and blue stars that that blink a lot. So
Oh.
and have a huge magnetic field. So little science lesson for you guys there and him.
galaxies. True or false?
True.
True, I guess.
That's actually true. While they don't suck in the entire
Actually true.
galaxy, Supermassive black holes usually hang out in the centers. What phenomenon causes the northern lights? Earth's magnetic field, cosmic rays, or black holes?
Yes. Go A.
It's the Earth's magnetic field. When sun particles reach the Earth and interact with the atmosphere, they release bright energy, which causes beautiful colors in the sky. Time for some math. If the speed of light is 186,000 miles per second and it reaches the Earth in 8 minutes, what is the distance between Earth and the Sun? Bonus points for calculating this in your mind.
I don't know.
It's like 3.
It's about 93 million miles.
That's close. I
Now,
said 3.
did you crack the impossible level?
Uh-huh.
All right. Let's see if you're smart enough to answer the final bonus question.
All right.
If you were standing on the moon and the Earth was directly overhead in the lunar sky, how often would you see the Earth rise or set? Think about it.
This is every Earth month.
Yeah.
The answer is never.
Oh.
The moon is tidally locked to Earth, which
Right.
means that we can always see its one side, while the other side is always hiding away from us. Ooh, maybe it's shy. So the Earth would stay nearly fixed in the lunar sky at all times. So, how many questions did you get?
I don't remember how many questions I got, so future me, can you put it somewhere either above my head or somewhere? And then same for however many questions he got right. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you, Steven, for being on this video with me.
You're welcome.
And comment down below if you would like to see Steven on more of these videos in the future. Don't forget to like to tell the YouTube algorithm that I am doing good. If you would like to subscribe, ring that notification bell to never miss an upload. Starship Flight 10 is coming up soon, so I will be live streaming that when that happens. Thank you all so much for watching this video. This is Matthew from Space Exploration. Peace.
Bye.